Okay, so let's start from the find command. So yesterday we have talked about how can we how can we find a file and how can we find the directories, right? So by the help of find command, yes. So today we will discuss by the help of that find command. So suppose if I want to search a file, how can I search? Find, then the main directory we have slash hyphen type f, then hyphen name, the name of the file, right? Yes, like this we have to search, right? If the file name will be tt, we have to put here tt. It will show you the full path where the tt file will be, right?
Yes.
Then suppose if I want to search the file having permission 644, okay, those file are having permission 644, that means our default permission, right? 644, correct? In root user we are having default permission of a for a file is 644, na? Have
Yes,
you
sir.
found? Yes, 644. So I just want to see those file are having 644 permission. So find slash hyphen type f hyphen perm, then the permission 644. So it will show you those file are having 644 permissions. Are you getting? So these all are the files are having 644 permission. You can see how many files we have. It is given the result to us, right? If I will check this file permission ls hyphen l and this file, so what is the permission over here, guys? 644, correct?
Yes, sir.
So how can we see that? Find slash hyphen type f hyphen perm, then the permission. So not only you can give 644, you can give any permission. Suppose if I want to give 642, the file having 642 permission, enter. So there is no file where having this 642 permission. It is not showing anything, okay? Got it, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So now we will see except this 644, whatever the files we have, I want to see those files except 644. So after this F, we need to give this exclamation so that it won't show the 644 files. It will show the files except 644 permission. So these are the files having except 644 permission. Okay. Write it up. F, then exclamation mark.
What's the first command? The file to check the
This
644.
this one, right? F, then
Yeah,
hyphen
yeah, yeah.
perm, then 642. It will show you the file having 642 permission. And if I will give exclamation after this F, it will show the file except 644 permission. Okay. Now if I want to see the file having user owner as student, okay, user owner as student, so how can I find that? Find space slash hyphen type f, then hyphen user, then student. So it will show you the file is having student as a user owner. Okay, enter. Now you can see those are the files are having student as the user owner. If I will check for this file ls hyphen l, then this file, yes, I can see that student is a user owner over here, correct? Write it down that command, find slash hyphen type f, then hyphen user, then student. Same thing if I want to see the file having group owner as student, how can I check? So instead of user we need to put here group. It will show you the file having group owner as student. Written?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Fine. So let's see here. Suppose I want to check the file having .pl extensions. So do you know what is this extension, guys? Like you will be using some music, it will be the extension of mp3. If you're using any videos, the extension will be mp4, like this, right? So same extension, we have some .pl extension. So I just want to see where is the .pl extension files. Okay, are you getting what is extension files? .txt,
Yes, sir. Yes.
.mp3, .mp4, that I want to see the file having .pl extension. So what I need to put, slash hyphen type f, I want to search the file name. So what I should have to put so that I can see all the file having .pl extensions? I told you in uh, file globing character, guys. Have you remembered the file ended with, have you remembered the file ended with h character? We have to give star h.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you remembered?
Yes, sir.
So same
Star
thing.
H.
Yes. So here I have to give star .pl so that I can see the file ended with .pl extensions. Correct? The file ended with .pl. If I will
Yes, sir.
hit enter here, so you can see all the files are having .pl extensions. So what is the command? Find slash hyphen type f hyphen name start.pl. Okay. Then next thing is what, guys? Okay, have you written?
Yes.
Yes. Now I want to see the file having SUID permission. So SUID permission, I think you guys have understood. So SUID permission, those file are having SUID permissions. So we can check like this. Find slash hyphen type f, then hyphen perm, it is pipe u equals to yes. Uh, 1 second, let me check with this. Slash, yes, this is the command we can check the file having SUID permission. So you have to put here like u equals to yes. Same thing if you want to check the file having SGID permission, here you need to put g equals to yes. It will show you the file having SGID permissions. And can you tell me if I want to check the file having sticky bit permission, how can I check the file having sticky bit permission?
So for sticky bit, O.
Stick O, right? O equals to, sorry, O equals to T, O equals to S, not O equals to T. Okay. Here we need to put O equals to T so that we can find the file having sticky bit permissions. O equals to S. Here it is slash, guys, not pipe. It is slash. Is my voice breaking or it is fine, guys? Is it breaking?
No, it's fine.
It's fine. Huh? Okay. So this is the command we can find the file having sticky bit permission. Okay. Then next, if we will
One
talk
second, one
about,
second.
okay, sorry.
One second.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay, so now if I want to check the file with size, suppose I want to see the file is having 2 MB size. Okay, so find slash hyphen type f, then for the size we have to put hyphen size, then the size, what is the size you want to see, which the file is having 2 MB size I want to see, so 2 capital M. If I will put those are the file having 2 MB size, okay, or nearly equal to 2 MB. Let's check. For I'm just copying this file, one of the file here. This is this is the result it is showing here, so I'm copying one file. And how to check the file size, guys? Okay, don't write, I will just show you. After that you will write. Okay, 1 second. So there is a command, guys. We're having this du-sh command. We can see the file size, guys. Okay, so what is the size? 1.2, so nearly equal to 2, it will show you that. Okay, so what is the command to check this file size with the size? Find this file size with this command, find slash hyphen type f hyphen size, then 2m. It will show you the file is having 2 MB size or nearly 2. Okay, and how can we check the file size? Du hyphen ss, there is a command. Okay, suppose, okay, have you written, guys? Did you write?
No, no, no. Just
Oh, sorry.
So what was that du?
Du hyphen sh. Okay, it will show you the file size. There is a command.
Sh means show. What is the full form of du?
Let me check with you. Estimated file space uses, the meaning of du. Okay, you can check with man command. Man then du.
Okay, sir.
So after that, if I want to check the file size in between 50 MB to sorry 2 MB to 4 MB. Okay, I want to check those file are having 2 MB to 4 MB sizes. So how can we check that? Find slash hyphen type f, then hyphen size, then suppose I want to check with 2 to 3, so I have to give us 2 plus 2 MB, then hyphen size minus 2 MB minus 4 MB, 4 capital M, so that it will show you guys the file is having the values or the size in between 2 to 4. Enter. So those are the file are having 2 to 4 MB size. Let's check for one. I will copy this file and du-sh and this file name. If I will put what is the value, it is showing 2.5. That means the value or the size carries between 2 to 4. What is the command for that? Find slash hyphen type f hyphen size 2 plus 2 MB hyphen size minus 4 MB.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now my question is what, guys? I have written this. I know how to find some files, right? Have you written this one? Have we written this one, guys? Okay, should I
Yes,
proceed to
sir.
the next? Okay, now I got that. How can I find all the files? Okay, suppose my question is what, guys? I want to find. Okay, just tell me how can I find .pl extension files? Find
Fine hyphen
slash slash
slash
hyphen
hyphen
type,
type
then
f.
f, then
Then the file name.
hyphen name, then star.pl. Correct?
Yeah.
Star.pl, so that it will show you the whatever the file is having, whatever the file we are having a .pl extension, right? Now my
Yes, sir.
question it was, guys, so whatever the output you will get here, now those file, now what I will get the output, guys, those file are having .pl extensions, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so those output I want to store in another directory. Okay, those output I want to store another in another directory. So how can you store those files, or how can you store those outputs? Do you know? Okay, so let's check. So before that, we have to make the destination directory where I want to store all the output of this command. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Naresh, are you getting? All of you have got. Ragini, are you getting?
Your voice is
Sir, your
breaking,
voice is
Himanshu.
breaking.
Okay. Is it fine now?
Yeah.
No. So my question is, what whenever I'm getting this output, so what I will get the output from this command? From sorry. From this command I have written here find slash hyphen type f hyphen name dot pl extend dot pl. So what will the output I will get from this command?
All the dot
File
Or
extension
the
PL
have
dot
files.
or the dot pl extension files. Now that output I want to store inside one directory. Yes, okay. So before that we have to make the directory or not? We
yes.
have to make the destination directory. So how can we make the destination directory? Just any directory I'm creating here. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm creating the directory the name of pl.form. So actually this is the question they will ask in your certifications. Okay, so the question will be like this: search all the .pl extension files and store inside one directory called pl.found. Okay, I will show the question today also. We will do some more questions from that certification questions we will do. So mkdir pl.found, I have created the directory. Now my aim is what? I want to store all the pl extension files inside this pl.found. Correct? So let me first write the command find slash hyphen type f hyphen name then star dot pl. So this is the command we can get the output that all the file having dot pl extensions. So now if we're going to store it inside a directory, guys, we have to use this one hyphen exec execute. So you are executing the output inside one directory, and which directory you want to in which directory you want to store pl.found,
PL
right?
dot form.
Yes. So after this exec, guys, we have to put your cp because we're copying all the output. After that we have to write like this: first curly braces start, curly braces end, then the destination directory name, that is my pl.found, right? And guys, and remember one thing, for this exec there is an argument called slash backslash and semicolon. Sorry, it is known as colon, no, semicolon. So this is the argument for exec. If I won't give, okay, please write it down, I will discuss. If I won't give this backslash and semicolon, what will happen? First write it down. Written?
One sir.
All of you have understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Naresh?
Yeah, understood.
Okay.
One.
Okay, so what will happen, guys? All the PL extension file it will collect and it will store inside this pl.found. Let's see if I'm not giving this arguments, guys. What will happen? Enter. Can you see here it is showing missing argument to hyphen exec. So always remember, for this hyphen exec there is an argument called backslash and semicolon. Okay, now if I will put hit enter here, now it will store all the file having .pl extension in pl.found. Okay, so let's check if I will open the file, or else if I will go to the pl.found directory and I will check by ls command. Yes, I can find all the file having .pl extensions. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Got it now? How can we store the output inside one directory? Like this command. Okay, now the next question is what, guys? Have you understood, all of you? All of you have understood?
Can you tell me that question, Himanshu? Like mkdir PL dot form.
This question you are telling. I should have to
Please
tell this
stored
question.
under.
It should store under pl.found. So find the .pl extension files and okay, write it down. Find the .pl extension files and stored in pl.found directory. Find all the .pl extension files and stored in pl.found directory. Written. Written.
Yes,
Ragini.
Himanshu. Done.
Okay. Now the next question is what, guys? I want all the file having student user owner. Sorry, I want to find all the files having student as the user owner, and I want to store those files inside a directory called student.found. So for that, what we have to do first?
Sir, can you repeat it?
I want to search the file having user owner as student, and those file I want to store inside a directory called student.found. I just have to.
User.
So first we need to create the destination directory where I want to store the output, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let me create the directory first, then we will see the commands. Okay, student.found. I created the directory. Now my aim is what? I want to search all the student user files and I will store inside this student.found directory, correct? So what is the command I told you just now? How can we search the file having student as a user owner? Find
Finds.
Find slash
slash
hyphen type
hyphen type f, then hyphen
f
user,
a hyphen
right?
user
Then student. So
student.
this is the command we can find all the student user files. That means file having student as the user owner, right? Now those output I want to store inside which directory? Student.found. So what we have to use here? Same thing, guys, hyphen exec. Then
CP.
so okay, cp.
Flower
Then
braces.
wait, wait here, guys. So here we are giving one option called rvfp. Can you tell me, guys, why we are giving this rvfp option? Naresh, anybody, can you tell me, guys, why we are giving this rvfp option? Okay, let me discuss. Okay, so student is a which user, guys?
Normal user.
Normal
Normal
user, sir.
user. My destination directory is created where? In which user? My destination directory.
In the root slash root.
In the in root directory, in root user I have created this student.found, correct? Yes, student
Yes,
is a
sir.
normal user, guys. So always remember, when you are copying the output from or copying a file from the student user to the root user, that means from normal user to the super user, we have to use this option, guys. RVFP. R for recursive, V for verbosely, F for forcefully, P for with all the permissions. Okay, got it? Why we are
Okay,
giving
sir.
this RVAP? Because student is a normal user, so we are copying those normal user files to the administrative user directory. That is my student.found directory, right? So that we are giving this hyphen RVAP options. Okay, so forcefully we have to collect the output and forcefully we have to store inside this student.found directory. Got it? Why we are using this RVAP option, guys?
Yes.
Naresh, Ragini,
Yeah.
Hussein,
Yes,
and
Himanshu.
Furkan. Okay. So after that, we have to put Calibras start, Calibras end, then the destination directory. The destination directory is student.found. And after that, we have to give backslash semicolon. Why? Because this is the argument for hyphen exec. Guys, what will happen here, guys? Some student user process file. Okay, let me put here enter. Okay, please write it down. After that, I will hit enter and I will let you know. After writing, just let me know, guys.
Done, Himanshu.
Okay. Now, if I will hit your enter, guys, so let's see. Can you see here, guys? Some process file it is showing. It is started with slash proc, right? It is linking to this, correct? So remember, guys, some my voice is clear.
Little
It is
bit
somehow
it's
breaking or
lagging,
what?
Himanshu.
Hello, can you hear my voice
Hello,
clearly,
Himanshu,
guys?
it's breaking. Yeah, we can hear you, but it's
Yes,
breaking.
yes, I can understand. Okay. Is it fine now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So listen here, guys. When I have executed that command, it is showing like this, guys. Why? Because this file can't be copied to the student.found directory. Why? Because, guys, these are the process files. So always remember, process files we can't copy to any other locations. Okay. There are the process files. Okay. So it is showing the process files. Okay. It is redirecting to this, but it won't copy. We can't copy the process file and we can't paste inside that directory. Got it? Got it, all of you? Any queries? Why you have not guys responding? Hello?
So you said process files, right?
Yes, process file. The files related to the process. You can see all the files having inside this last proc directory. I told you all the process file will store inside this last proc. So those
Yes.
process files we can't copy to this student.found directory. Got it?
Those are administrative files,
No, those are the process file. The file related to the processes.
and that
Okay?
PROC saves at
Sorry?
the PROC file.
Yes.
Where does it save?
Inside, where does it save means inside the proc, all these are the process. See, in this file the file name is syscall, where it's stored inside this slash proc, right? So this syscall is known as your process files. Are you getting?
Okay.
Yes. So we can't copy this. Okay, let me go to the server A. Don't worry for this command, we will learn in different chapter we have. Let me log into the server A. And okay, now I'm in server A, and I will put what is that, find slash hyphen type f, then hyphen user. Okay, let me create the
Student.
direct. Let me create the directory first. mkdir student.form. Actually, in workstation machine there are lots of process files. Okay, so let me do in server A, and I will check it. So mkdir student.found. Let me put that command, find slash hyphen type f hyphen user, then student, then hyphen exec, then cp hyphen rvfp, then the curly braces start, curly braces end, then student dot found. So and backslash semicolon, enter. Here is also there is some process files. So some process file we can't, so not some process file we can't even copy the process files, guys. These things you have to remember. After that, if you will check ls student.found, except the process files, all the files have been copied, and these are having the student users, guys. Student users are the user owner. If I will put here ls hyphen l, then the file called limits. Okay, it is not a file. Is it a file? Or ls hyphen l, then let me go to the directory first. Cd student.found ls. If I will check for this limits, ls hyphen l, then limits. So what is the user owner here, guys? Student, right? I am searching inside the student.found directory, correct? And which file I can't copy, guys? Process files. Okay, remember?
Yes, sir.
Any queries? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Naresh, what about
Fine, fine.
Naresh? What about you? Fine,
Fine,
right?
fine.
So you can copy all those files except process files. So I have shown you here also, guys. I came to the student.found directory and I have put here ls, and these are the file where we can find it here. And I put here ls-l any of one file. I can check that yes, there is a student user file. This is the student user file. Okay. So have you written the commands also and write it down after that. So the process files we cannot copy from the normal users and we cannot paste inside the directory. The process files, the okay, just write it down like this. The process file we can't copy and paste. Okay, and this one is your certification question, guys. Okay, in exam
Himanshu,
questions are
Himanshu, can you elaborate what is RBFT recursive?
recursive, verbosely, forcefully, with all the permission. RVFP, forcefully with all the permissions. Understood why we are giving this RBFP option? Because student is a normal user and root is a super user. That means our destination directory is in root user, but whatever the file we are copying, the user owner is student, right? So whenever we are copying the student user files to the root user files or root user directories, you have to use that -RVFP option, guys. So forcefully we have to copy the output and we have to paste inside this directory.
If it is a normal user to normal user,
We don't have to put -RVFP directly. We can transfer, or we can copy the output to the student or normal user files or normal user directories. Okay, there is no we don't have to give their -RVFP options. Okay, and next, okay, have you all of you have got
one
it?
second.
Yes,
One
sorry.
second.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Fine, fine.
Okay. Okay, so next that we will see here, guys. Write it down. Text processing tools. Text processing
Sorry.
tools. Tools. Text, TEXT processing tools. Okay, did you write?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we have learned before that how can we source the file, right? How can we source the file? How can we source the directory? Now this text processing tools we're going to learn like how can we search a keyword inside the content, inside the file contents. Okay, suppose I'm having a file called anaconda.ks.cfg, and inside this file I'm having such contents. If I will open that file, how can I open this content file? If you with vi command, I'm just opening this anaconda case.cfg. So there are a lots of content inside this file, correct? Yes. So now my question is, what I just want to search where the system word is. Here is the word called system, correct?
Yes.
So I want to search this where the system keyword is inside this anaconda case.cfg file. Okay. So for that reason, to search a keyword, we are using a command called grep, grep. Find for searching a file and directory, grep for searching a keyword. Okay. So write it down. Grep is a command which will search a particular keyword. Grep is a command which will search a particular keyword.
Grape, what is it?
Keyword, keyword.
No, no, not. What is that command?
Grep, grep. grep, grep. Grep is a command. Grep is a command which will search a particular keyword and prints how many lines contain that word, and print how many lines contain that word and display the complete line.
How many lines after that?
Print how many lines contain that word and display the complete line. Okay, so let's see here guys, how can we use this command. So it will search the keyword and also it will show in full line. That means if I will search, okay, let me show you anaconda case.cfg file. Sorry, vi anaconda case.cfg. So if I will use your, if I will search the keyword system, so which line it will show you guys? This system authorization information, the total line it will show. Got it? Fine.
Yes.
Okay, so now we will see, so how can we use that command? So grep, then which keyword you want to search, you need to add inside this double quotes. It doesn't matter if you're not putting also, it will be fine. System, then double quotes end. If you're putting double quotes, it is fine. If you're not putting also, it is fine. System, then what is the file name? Anaconda case.cfg. If I will hit enter, it will show you, can you see all the full total line it is showing, right?
Yes.
Yes. Where the system keyword will be, it will show you that. But can you tell me, if I've opened that file, I'm not able to see that line where what I have told to you. But why it is written as capital S? It is written as capital S, but I have put it here small s, right? So that it was not showing there. Have you understood? This uppercase, lowercase also matter here.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Write it down. So grep, it doesn't matter to give this guys double quotes. You, if you are not giving also, it is fine. All of you have written.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so guys, have you remembered where we have all the user informations? In which file all the user information will store?
CTC
Slash etc slash, yes Naresh?
yes w
Pass WD, right? Okay, let me add a user called Himanshu. I've added this user. So if I want, okay, Himanshu user is already exist. The universal user it is. User add pp, suppose this user I'm going to add pp user. Suppose I want to check the information about this pp user. That means which will be the user, what is the user id, what is the group id, everything I want to see. Okay, so can I take as pp as a keyword? Can I take pp as a keyword? I will search inside slash etc slash password. So where the pp keyword will be, it will show in full line. Okay, if I'm not able to understand, I have added this pp user guys. I will open this etc and password file. etc password. Let me go to down. If it is a file guys, right, where these are the contents. Now if I will search a keyword with pp, it will show you the full line or not? Yes,
Yes.
because I
Yes,
told you
sir.
if I'm using this grep command, it will print how many lines contain that word and display the complete line. If I will just take as pp as a keyword and I will put grep pp slash etc plus wd, I can see this total line or not? Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes,
I
sir.
don't have to come again to this etc password file and again we don't have to check. Directly we can grep it, right? So grep, then the username I'm putting your pp, then slash etc slash passwt. So pp, it is taken as the keyword inside which file? Slash etc slash password file, and it is showing the result that yes, pp is having. I can see from here also, we don't have to go inside this file and just to check user id and group id. We can check from here, so we can search anything, like in just take a keyword and put it here, and you can check the full lines.
Okay,
Got
sir.
it? Fine. Now suppose if I want to check, okay, there is a file etc password where I have, suppose there is a keyword called nobody. Okay, there is a keyword called nobody. If I will check nobody, it will show you the full line, but I want, uh, so from this nobody, the upper two lines and lower two lines. Okay, first we will see the upper two lines, then we will see the lower two lines. So where the keyword will be nobody, I just want to see upper to that two lines. Okay, these two lines I also want to see. So for that reason we have to put grep hyphen b2 before, it will be before. Okay, if I'm putting b2, it will show you before two lines. Okay, and what was the keyword? Nobody, right? So where will be the nobody keyword? It will show you to the before two lines. etc inside file is etc password. Can you see where the nobody keyword is there? It is showing just before two lines. Okay, and here also I'm having nfs nobody keyword. It is search this nfs keyword, nfs nobody keyword, and it is also showing the previous two files, two previous two lines. Okay, so what is the option we have? Hyphen b2.
Himanshu,
Yes,
suppose if nobody is in 3 or 4 lines, where it will, how the first 2 lines will check?
it won't show you anything. If, okay, let me show you. Suppose there is a, okay, it is a password, the first line, suppose I'm putting root. Okay, I'm taking root as a keyword, so we don't have any, before there is no lines, right? So it will show nothing. Let's check. If I will put same thing, if I will put just instead of nobody, I am putting a root. Okay, root. So you can see for this first root, it is not showing anything here, right? First root, but here there is also keyword root, and it is showing the previous two lines.
Hmm.
Okay,
Understood.
yes,
No, no. My query is just go to that etc password.
okay, but it is a password file.
One second. One second. See, here nobody is there in probably after FTP colon
Yes,
X, right?
yes.
And nobody is there also in the bottom fifth line, right?
Yes, here nfs nobody, right?
Yes. But which one it will take? I
Both one it
think
is
this.
showing, both one it is showing, both two it is showing, both two it is showing. You have not seen there? Okay, let me show you.
No, I'm not sure.
Yes, see, here it is showing nfs nobody, and here it is different nobody, right?
No, no. Yeah. Okay.
Hmm. It will show both. Okay, so next to that, if you want to see the after to this, you have to put a2.
One second. Shall we write this command?
Yeah, sure. So after this, just write it like hyphen capital A2. It will show you
Okay.
the next two lines.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now all of you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now my question is what, guys? Now my question is what, guys? There is a file called user slash usr slash share dash slash dig slash words. There is a file. Okay, and there is some keyword called sa keyword I want to search. Okay, the file name is slash usr slash share slash dig and slash words. WORDS. Yes. This is the file I have, guys. So inside this file there are some SA keyword, SA. So I want to search those SA keyword and I want to store this output inside one file, guys. Okay. I want to search the keyword SA keyword inside this file, and whatever the output I'm getting here, I want to store inside one file called sa.txt. Suppose. Do I have to create that file?
Yes, sir. First, we have to create the file.
No
So
need
you
to
want to
create the file.
copy that?
When we have used, yes, I don't want to, I want to redirect. Whatever the output I will get, I will redirect to one file. So we don't have to create file. When we will redirect, the file will automatically create, guys. When we have used cat greater than Himanshu, have you remembered? Cat greater than Himanshu, we have added some content and control D to save, right?
Yes, sir.
Himanshu file will automatically create and it will have some contents, whatever the contents you will add, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
here also we don't have to add the file, we don't have to create the file. The file will automatically create when we will redirect the output. So now the question is what, okay, just tell me till this, like I want to search the SA keyword in this file. How can I search the keyword, SA keyword? What will be the command? SA keyword,
Mm,
simple, grep, yes,
mm.
SA space, then the file name. So what it will show you, the file inside this file, wherever the SA keyword, it will show you in full line, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now I
Yes,
will
sir.
read. Naresh, are you getting? Hussein, are you getting or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, Naresh, what about you? Naresh. Sorry. Now I'm going to redirect those output inside one file, guys. So we have to put redirect option. Have you remembered this one? Cat greater than. So greater than, then the file name sa.txt. So what will happen, guys? So whatever the output I will get from this first command, sa keyword, that content it will be inside this sa.txt. Yes, I am putting your enter. Is my voice breaking?
No.
No, sir.
No, right? Okay. So now if I will open this file, how can I open the file? sa.txt. How can you open a file? What is the command to open a file, guys? To see the content of the file?
Cat, sir.
Okay.
We
VI,
can
VI, sir.
we can use cat or vi, right?
Yes.
Yes,
If
sir.
I will open this sa.txt, what I will see there? Okay.
The output, sir. The
So which output I will get?
line of that essay.
So wherever
Whole.
the SA keyword will be there, a whole total line I will see when I will open this file,
Yes,
or
sir.
I will see the content of this sa.txt. If I will hit enter here, can you see in each of the line there is SA keyword? In each of the line there is SA keyword, right?
Yes, sir.
SA, SA. In every line there are SA keywords, guys, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Have you got it?
Himanshu,
Yes, Naresh.
yeah, in between I've lost my the connectivity. In between it's getting frequently disconnect. Can you tell me
Okay.
the? I mean, just go
Okay,
back.
okay, okay, sure. What we have done here, actually, I want to search the keyword of SA. SA keyword I want to search inside this file, okay?
Okay.
USR share dict words. There is a file called USR share dict words. I want to collect all the SA keyword contents. That means where the SA keyword will be, wherever the SA keyword will be, the whole total line I will collect it and I will redirect those output inside this file, sa.txt file. Okay? Yes. For that reason, we have used here greater than. That means we are redirecting the output inside this file. Got it? And when I will open this file cat space sa.txt, I can able to see those contents. And you can see each and every contents are having SA keywords. Correct?
Yes.
Naresh, have you got it now?
Yeah, I got
And
it.
yes, and sometimes what happen, guys, in certification exam, they're asking these questions, and they're also asking that you have to store those output in manipulate order, guys. In manipulate order means what? Alphabetically you have to store. First it will come with A, B, C, D like this. Are you getting what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
Yes, in manipulate order it will store inside this ss.txt. So for that reason, we have to give pipe and sort. If I'm giving a pipe and sort, then redirect to ss.txt, all the output it will store in manipulate order or alphabetical order. It will store. First A will come, then B, C, D like this will come. You got it? And written, all of you have written.
One
Yes,
second.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
One second, Himanshu.
So now, yes, please. Sorry.
One second. One second.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So slash user slash share. This is what the current
This is
directory,
the
right?
file. This is the file. This is the file. I am searching the keyword inside the file. Na?
Okay.
Naresh, in file we have the contents, correct? Yes?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. And essay is a keyword inside the contents. So I want to search the essay keyword contents. Okay? Yes. And I want to store inside this essay.txt. So this is the command we can store it like that. Okay. So fine. So let's see. We will do some question, guys. Let me show you those questions. Uh, some certification questions we have. We will do that. Okay. So this is a certification question, guys. Question they have given. Okay, question number 5 we will do. After that 6 and 7 we can't. 8 we can. Then 9 we can. 11, 12 just we have done. 11 and 5, 6, 8, 9 we will do right now. So question number 5, guys. So can you tell me, Naresh, can you hear me?
This is breaking. I don't know. It's a
Naresh?
problem with me or you.
Your voice is breaking,
Naresh,
sir,
can you hear
little
me?
bit.
My voice is breaking.
Little
Is it
bit.
fine? Is it fine?
Uh, Hello.
Yes, yes, Furkan, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. Now it is
Yes,
fine.
Ocean, I can hear you. Yes, yes. Okay, so listen here, guys. So Naresh, can you give this answer? Question number 5. Question number 5, what they are asking is create the following users and groups, group membership. So the question they've given that create a group named sysadmin. Can you hear me clearly? I'm audible to you,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the question, first question they have given that you need to create the group sysadmin. The name of the group is sysadmin. Then a user Sarah who belongs to sysadmin as the secondary group, Natasha who belongs to sysadmin as the secondary group. So just tell me what we have to do first,
Okay. Create
Naresh.
groups. Add groups. Space sysadmin.
So first we will add the group. Okay, let me add the group. Group add sysadmin. And the next thing they're asking that
Add
a user Sarah who belongs to sysadmin as a secondary group. a user Natasha who belongs to the sysadmin as the secondary group. So for that, Ragini, what will be the answer?
We need to add two users, Sarah and Natasha.
Okay, after that, after adding two users, what I will do? After adding those
After
two
that, we have to add those users into the group.
inside the group. So what is the command? Okay,
User
first I
add.
will add. First,
First
let me
users.
add the user. So user is Sarah, and another user is Natasha.
Yes.
Natasha. So after that, we need to add those two users inside the sysadmin group. Correct?
Yes.
So how can we add the multiple user in group? I think you have remembered. You have not remembered. So G password hyphen capital M. Yes. G
How?
password
Yes,
hyphen
sir.
capital M. Then the username Sarah and username Natasha.
Come. Yes.
Natasha. Then the group name. Correct?
Yes. Sysadmin. Yes.
So those Sarah and Natasha has been added inside this sysadmin group. The next to that, they asked me that a user Harry who doesn't have the access to an interactive shell on the system and who is not a member of sysadmin. So there is a user called Harry who is not a member of sysadmin. That means we don't have to add this Harry user inside this sysadmin group. But Harry who doesn't have the access to an interactive shell on the system. So for that reason, what we have to do, guys, I told you this one. We have to restrict this Harry user not to interact with my shell. What we have done before? Have we forgot? We have changed the cell, right? We have changed the cell. Let me add the Harry user first. After adding this Harry user, I can change the cell by user mode hyphen s. What is the cell name we have to change, guys? Please see your copy and tell me. Please see your copy and tell me. Move to that page, your user management page, and tell me what is the cell name. Ragini?
Just a minute. Slash bin slash bash. That one.
That is the default cell we have, but I just want to change the shell to which cell I should have to change here so that
SH
this.
cell.
No, I told this command. Just go after that. After that, I have told you. Okay, let me put it here. Slash has been slash no login. Have you found that?
Yes.
Harry user. So what will happen, guys, if I will change the cell of this Harry user to slash has been slash no login? If Harry user wants to log into my shell, it can't log in, guys. It will show you that this account is currently not available.
Yes, sir.
These things I already have told in user management class, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Naresh, are you listening? Naresh? I don't know. Okay, Hussein, are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next to that, what they have given is Sarah, Natasha, Harris should all have the password called Avastar. So how can we give the password to the user, guys? How can we give
G
the password to
password.
the no G password to group only password command, and also have told you echo command.
Yes.
Echo, then the password name Avastar, then pipe password hyphen stdin, then the username is Harry. Correct?
Yes.
If I
Yes, sir.
will put here, then the Harry user will be is assigning the password called Avastar. Then same thing we have to give for Sarah user and Natasha user also. So I'm giving for Sarah, then I will give for Natasha. Natasha. Got it now? This question.
Yes, sir.
This is the certification questions. You will, if you will do the certification, then you can get these questions. But in your exam, there will be, they will give a different name. They won't give you Sari Natasha Hari. Sorry, Sarah Natasha Hari. They will give a different name to you. Okay, so let's come to the question number 9. Let's come to the question number 9. So what they have given in the question: create a user dill with user ID 2015 and assign the password Red Hat. Create a user dill with user ID 2015 and assign the password Red Hat. So what we have to do?
Add the user first.
First we will add the user, and after that we will change the user ID, right? To 2015. But have you remember, guys, I told you at a time also we can do like that, like putting user add. We don't have this user deal user, we don't have. So I can put like this also, guys: user add hyphen u 2015, then the user name is dill. I can also add this user, and I also give the user id as 2015 to this deal user. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we can give this option to, so whenever I will add by user add dill, we don't know what is the user ID it is given to the dill user. After that we have used user mode hyphen u 2015 then dill, correct? But going to this one, don't have to go to the next step. So directly we can add the user and we can assign the user ID for that user also by putting this command. It will add the user as well as it will you assign the user ID to that user. Hope you have got it.
Yes, sir.
Enter. How can we check the ID of a user, guys? ID command.
We,
I think you have not remembered. ID, then the username. Okay. Then they have also have given the to give the password for this which user? Deal user. What is the password they have given to us? That is Red Hat, right?
yes, sir.
Capital R. So how to give the password for this deal user as Red Hat? How can we give the password? Just I told now.
So,
Ragini, how
uh,
can we give the password to the
Echo Red
users?
Hat. Echo Red Hat.
Yes. Echo Red Hat. My voice is
First name.
breaking. Is my voice breaking?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Red Hat.
Type name.
That is only pipe. It is not line. Only pipe. Pipe. Then password hyphen stdin. Then del.
D.
So it is saying all authentication tokens updated successfully. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hope you have got it right. So you should have to write these answers also. Do one thing. I'm putting history command. Just take a snap from this. The question started from 165 to 177. Those two questions, guys. You can take a snap,
Yeah.
or else you can write after the class when I will give the recorded session.